Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving free signals there. The link of our Discord and Telegram is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, that the daily candle here, it's finished here in that place here. There is nothing new here. We're still in a downtrend in the daily. I show you everything yesterday, and even today I'm going to show it to you. Showed you buy now for long term. Also we already buy. I show you from where we buy from here, we buy from here, and we buy from here. That's the 3 times we buy. Now I told you, if we touch here, that level here, as you see it, that low here, that one here, exactly that low here. I don't want to say the level because depending on your broker. Some people using Binance, some people using Coinbase, some people using Bybit, depending which broker you're using. Look at that place here and put a pending order of 25% from your capital. Me here, I'm analyzing in Bitcoin index, guys, as you see it. That so the price over here is going to be different than your broker. So you're just looking at that peak here and buy from it. That one here, if it falls down here, buy 25% from your capital. If it's not, you wait more. Till now the Bitcoin it's showing maybe it's going to reject from here at that level here, because the last low we reached to it here, that falling down is about 1 billion liquidation happen, guys. That's when some people they came to me, they told me SpaceX of Elon Musk, the total capital of them is 300 something million dollar. That $1 billion, a lot of money compared to the cash or the capital of SpaceX. So that's why I'm not believing that news till now, because who bring that news is Wall Street Journal, and that one a lot of FOD happening there. Now it's going back to the topic. So now here, that the moving averages, I show you those ones before. I told you, also we buy from here, we buy from here, and we buy from here. Till now the Bitcoin it doesn't go back up, so there is no buying till now. Also till now we're still waiting a candle to come back to break here that level here. Yes, all our indicators they showing to us as we need to buy. The one here, it enter here to oversold area, as you see it. Should we buy? We need a price action, guys, for us to buy. Like how it happened here. For us to buy, we need a price action now. If there is no price action, there is no buying. We need to wait more. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Yes, it's going to come a correction, and also we're going to catch it. Don't worry, because people in my Telegram and my Discord, that's our job. That's what we do in there. Everything is too clear here in the daily. Another thing, you remember those ones here for the option last week. The top one is staying in his place. Those ones here, those the people they getting liquidated, as you see it here. I told you it's about 1 billion getting liquidated. That's why we saw that big falling down. But those ones here, they don't allow it to fall down more than that. Also, we are in a very, very stronger level now. Let's see for that week where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So it's going to analyze the option, guys. So it's going there. Here it is the page where also we're analyzing every time. As you see it, that where is in the money now. Now let's search in where is the Bitcoin is going to go that week. So let's search in together. As you see that the first level here is it at 23k here. Over here 990 Bitcoin for the pots. The calls is 0. So that the first level, guys, 23k. Yes, you guess it right, 23k. That's what people they view it till now, so we don't care what's going to happen. Now let's go into search for the calls where they are. The calls are found, guys, as you see, that one here. Yes, the volume here, it's low. For big market like Bitcoin is only 37 Bitcoin here, but the pots here is only 0 here. So that two levels, 23k and 3500. Now let's go into the chart to join the two levels together. We set the first one 3500 like that, then we click at OK, a little bit down, and that one here we said at 23k like that. Those was the levels as you see it. So those people, they thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down till 23k, guys. As you see, that the view of them, because if you came here, technical analysis, look at it, Bitcoin, it tried to give you here a double top, and now it's breaking the 200 moving average. That's why me I told you there is no buying unless if us we breaking the 200 moving average up. That's my view personally, but we don't know what's going to happen because till now nobody knows. Because if it's breaking down here, that level is going to break, even that 23k is going to fall down till here, till 20k. Not a part of the game. Even the trend line being showing you is getting broke. Let's wait in the weekly candle when it's going to close. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours we saw some green today. Some candles, they came green here. As you see, the first one it came here, second one it came here. But the bad news here, there is pushing from up till now. That means sellers, they still want the Bitcoin to fall down more than that. Let's see if they got power to push it more down, because till now $1 billion it goes. So let's see. Me personally, I think also we are going to go up soon, maybe to that level at least here, that one here. But let's wait and what's going to happen, because every time when there is a bull run going to come, it happened at deep like that. People, they been in 2018, they remember that it happened a very bad deep. All the people, they thinking the Bitcoin is going to go to 0, it fall down till 3000. Then after that we see a big jump after that. Now here in the 4 hours there is nothing new here. Even if you bring the moving averages, you're going to find the 50 like that, the 100 and the 200 like that. They are like that. So there is nothing new. Also, we are in a very sharp downtrend. For us to enter long, it's need the market to give us here price action. That was me I've been telling you, that a falling knife, it's need the market to bounce here. That's mean it couldn't break that level here for us to enter long. Yeah, now there is nothing, so we need to wait till more till the right time. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it oversold area, because oversold areas is here at 30 now. That one it reached till 12. Should we buy now? Not yet. We need to wait in a price action in the chart to confirm for us. Also, we need to buy that one at the end of the day. It's just an oscillator, so we need to wait and more till the right time, till we find a price action. People, they follow me. Remember that if there is no price action confirmed for you, you need to buy. Don't try to open a long. I know, yes, you're going to enter late, but you're going to catch a very highly chance trade. If you enter from now, you got just 10%. Your trade is going to be winning trade. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, is it here down at the oversold area? Should we buy? Because level also we are in a very stronger level. Should we buy? No, my friend, there is no buying. We need to wait and more till we get a very clear price action here. And also we're going to buy. At this time there is no price action, so also we are not going to buy. We need to wait. Market always, when it finds the bottom, is going to give you here a price action. If there is no price action, there is no entry. You need to wait more, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the market tried to give us here a price action like that, as you see it. If you came here, but that one, me personally, I'm looking at it as a peanut here. And that one is a continuation pattern, guys. If it's getting broke down here, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down. But if it's getting broke here, that means also we are going to go back up till here, till the top of that level here. Now, what shall we do? Let me show you something very important here. Look at those ones here. What you see in here, that the 50 moving average, the 100 and the 200. if we break here the 50 moving average here, we are going to touch the 100. If we break the 100, also we are going to touch the 200. Should now we enter long? No, it's need the price action to tell us that. The only price action you got here is that symmetric triangle now. That's what we have been talking about, guys. That symmetric triangle here will confirm for us to enter long. Today is Saturday and Sunday. Should we enter long? As majority of you know us, we don't trade Saturday and Sunday. Us, we waiting because majority of the time, Saturday and Sunday, the market will stay here flat and it will just give us here a new price action. Yes or no? The only price action we got now is that one here. You can use it as a reversal if it's breaking here, and you can use it as a peanut and a continuation pattern that when the market is going to drop more than that. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. Should we enter long? If the price action tell us that, if it's not, us we are not going to enter. Another thing, very, very, very important. Those ones, if it's getting broke up and they enter long, they need to focus on that trend line here. You see it or no? That one here, when it be touch here, you need to protect yourself. If you enter long, if it's break down here, you enter more short, guys. That's what us we wait until now. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.